Hey guys, a quick long note before the video starts. Last week or so, I think it might have been 2 weeks ago, my laptop failed. I had to get it restarted. I lost all my software and applications. So it's made with Windows Movie Maker and Screencast-O-Matic. Be warned about that. So have a good day. I'm gonna try to get my editing software back. So have a good day and see you later.
Hey guys, today I'm doing a review and history of Microsoft Office 2000 Professional. This version of Microsoft Office came out in 1999 and preceded Microsoft Office 1997. This is still compatible with Windows 10, however some of the tools don't work or install, so it's better to use the operating systems that are intended, Windows 95 all the way through to Windows XP. Microsoft Office 2000 comes with 5 editions. Standard, which had the basic Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. Small Business, which had an additional set of publisher and business tools. A set of programs for business that has been discontinued since. One strange feature is that they took out PowerPoint, which assumingly to add business tools to it. Professional had all the other programs, including Access 2000, a databasing tool that has come to stay. Premium was all Professional, but with Front Page 2000 and PhotoDraw 2000. Front Page was a web administration tool, but has been discontinued and replaced by Microsoft Expression Web. And PhotoDraw was a one-time shop for a vector graphics program, which ultimately flopped. Last but not least, you have Office Developer Edition, which had developer tools and SDK, which stands for Software Development Kit. However, I have no clue what it is, but my guess it's to do with web design and HTML. There are other tools that were standalone tools, but due to it not directly being of the 2000 editions, I will do a separate video on those to save time. Alright, so we've done that side of the video, which is all the history. Now time to show the practical side of it. So I've already installed it, Microsoft Office 2000. This is a professional version, so it has all of the features that I said beforehand. The only thing it doesn't have is development tools, so this is the best version you could get before they showed that you could do development. And anyway, I've already got my own development tools. You don't need it, and if I could have it, I probably wouldn't be using it anyway, so there's my product key on the back. You have license agreements, you have everything. So yeah, you're not allowed to pirate this apparently. What are you allowed to pirate? Anyway, let's get on with the actual review and technical side of it. Alright, so let's start off with Microsoft Word, which is a staple point of the entire franchise, but pretty much. It has everything that you would expect from Microsoft Word, however it doesn't have the ribbon, which is the annoying bar at the top of the screen. Basically the ribbon is a way to quickly do stuff, but I don't find it quick. It's just as quick to go into insert text box. That's quicker than going into the ribbon, finding the text box thing. So I prefer this up here, and this was in a time where it was simpler. And there's a couple of features that you don't have here. First of all, you don't have stylized text or stylized anything. It's plain old text editor. Exactly how you would expect it to be. Second of all, you can't do strike through text, which is not that bad. Actually, I prefer it like that, but you can also add and remove buttons, but if there's not much that you do really need to do. So I'm going to add these 2 buttons because I personally like these, which are superscript and subscript. So these are small tiny stuff, and this is more small tiny stuff. So basically what you use it for is Anderu, and then say choose that one, TM. Put a trademark in there. Why not? So that's the entire thing basically. You have your fonts up here, no fonts that you haven't seen before. You have the macros at the top, which you can use. So say if I choose that, you have all the fonts, sizes up to 72. You can probably go higher than that. Yeah, there we go. It just doesn't show in here, so that's the only difference. And then, yeah, it works exactly how you would expect it. It has spell check, as you can see, so if I was to type my name, it would automatically capitalize that. If I was to misspell justice, click space. Oh, what's that? Oh, you mean justice? Yes, I do. It has everything you'd expect from it. You have insert table. You have a lot of stuff, and as I said, you have macros. So that's a feature that I believe was introduced in this version as well. So that is a fun thing that has also come to stay. And then you have insert text boxes. You have all of the things that you'd expect. You have inserting pictures. You can insert clip art, and as you can see, it comes with its own clip art, and I like it. It's a lot better of a way of doing stuff, and I think personally they should have had it in older versions as well, but nah. So you can add sounds as well, but I'm just going to go with pictures, and apparently there's nothing in there. Oh, of that. And all you have to do is, I think it's click this button. There we go, yeah, you can see. You can add clip art in, it works, and it works well enough. So that's Word. Now, quickly, let's go on to PowerPoint. Now, this is exactly the same as all the other ones. It prompts you to ask you whether you want a design template, blank presentation, or whatnot. So, in design templates, as you can see, you have all of the design templates that you could have. These ones you have to install, lots of them, so such as Japanese wave. So I will click new, and you have an auto layout, and this is something that they should have put in the newer versions, but instead you have to do it manually. So up here, I will show you that the previews don't come up with proper previews of slides, it only comes with a preview of text. Hello, and you can add a new slide by clicking this button, and then do this. And then as you can see, I can put, hello, how are you? And then I can add another slide, and I can go here and say, like, I'm good, how about you? I don't know. I'm just winging this here. So, as you can see, you have only text for slides. You can hyperlink, so if I was to say click that, place in this document, I'm good. Okay, so as you can see, I can click that. If I was to run the presentation, click that, I'm good, and it completely skips the other one. So, hyperlinking's a thing, it's exactly how I'd expect it. So, another fun thing is it still has macros, and I didn't show you this last time, but I want to show you here. If I was to insert a user form quickly, I'll do this as quick as possible. I'll go to Toolbox. I'll go to Label. There we go. Change that to say 0. Click this. 1 dot label 1 dot caption, sorry about my keyboard, is equal to +1, and then run this. I'll show you this. You can click it. It's actually really fun. It works. So, that's Microsoft PowerPoint. Nothing that you wouldn't see. You have charts. You have everything you want, and there you go. You have it. PowerPoint. And the last major one, Excel. This is exactly the same as the other ones. The only thing you can't do is sort by colour in this, which I have had a proper play around. So if I set that to yellow, change the colour of here to like that, and then just do that, and do that, colour that. As you can see, it works there. But you can't order it by colour. You can order it by A to Z and stuff. So that's basically it. That's it for Excel really, but you can also put data in. And you can, when I make it into a bar chart, as you can see, you have the bar chart here. I'll go into Word. Whoops, that's my script, which I'm not using. Rebel. Go into Word, put that to the side, find Excel. There we go. I can drag and drop that into Word, and then I can drag and drop that back into Excel. I can copy and paste that, and then you can just work with that. So I believe you can like move it back into it, but I don't know how to do that. So basically that's it. That's it for Excel. That's it for Word. And last but not least, we have the business tools. So because it's professional, it comes with everything that small business has and more. So let's go on with it. You have Business Planner, and right here you have planning. It will help you plan a business. It will teach you how to plan a business. It will basically teach you everything. You have Create Business Plan. It will teach you how to do that. You have the Resource Center, which is good, but none of this is really that useful for me, so I don't need to use it. Small Business Customer Manager. This will database. This will basically just database the customers that you have if you are in a trading business. It's not that interesting. Literally, it just keeps track of companies and customers and stuff. You can probably find a way to use it even if you're not in a business, such as if you were to decide to keep track of all the companies that you've ordered off of someone. But alas, I don't think I really need to use that, so what's the point? So that's about it, really. We have Access, Outlook, and Publisher, but they haven't changed at all over the years. The only thing that has changed is a ribbon, and you know that that's changed. So, this is also corrupted, this Small Business Financial Manager. So, sucks to be me, but as I said earlier, some apps and features won't install correctly or won't work, so that's the problem. So, have a good day, and I bid you farewell. Goodbye.